Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I wanted to come on and ask you to go check something out. So you guys know, or if you don't already know, now I'm gonna let you know that Stephanie over at Stephanie Stitches is like a sister shop to my own shop on Etsy. And so on Etsy, I am YvetteRene Creations, and she is Stephanie's Supply Shop. Now, she also has a website, and if you go to stephanies-stitches.com, then there you will find that she has this new subscription service for essential items that all quilters need and sometimes run out of smack in the middle of projects. And so in order to kind of alleviate that, she's put together this subscription where you can get the essential notions you need every other month. It is $28.25 every other month, and you get a large spool of Aurifil thread at 50 weight. You also get one rotary blade and a package of 5 needles. And so I'm going to open this for you. Here's her little package. And this is what you would get every other month. And the Aurifil thread is going to be like a neutral thread. So one month you may get white, one month you might get like cream, another month you might get like a very light gray, that sort of thing. Something that you can use pretty much any project you're working on. So let me open this up and show you what's inside. I actually haven't seen what's inside yet. She asked if she could send this to me so I could open it for you, and I said yes. So of course she sent this to me for free, but even if you are part of the subscription, it's really very, very affordable. Okay, so I pull it out, and here is the first month's package. Okay, so you'll get an Olfa rotary blade, and this one is the 45 millimeter size. This is the size that most people use, and this is the one that you would get every other month. And this month, our Aurifil thread is white. Very handy there. And then you do get the Schmetz needles. These are the Chrome professional grade Microtex sharp needles, and these are like the best, and it's an 80-12, so this is like the perfect like standard size that everybody uses for just projects in general. So goes really well with this weight thread as well, so that'll work together. My goodness, I mean, me personally, I go through so many blades just because if you have a hard time, maybe you have like arthritis or something like that, you are going to have to change your blade more often, at least if you want to save your hands, your arms, your back. Changing the blade is like a lifesaver for you. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys this because I think it's an ingenious idea, and you don't even have to think about it. It's an every other month thing. Bada bing, bada boom, right? So go and check it out. I'm going to put the link down in the description box below. I'm also going to pin it in the first comment so that you can go and check out her website. And go ahead and while you're there, subscribe to her newsletter because she'll let you know anytime she has something new in her shop or if she's having any sales. She will definitely let you know. So sign up for that while you're there. So there you go. I just wanted to show you that, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to keep this one short and sweet, and I'll see you next time. Night, guys. Mwah.